Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic cigarette smoke in After Effects using Trapcode Particular. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, now create a new composition and I'll make it full HD and 10 seconds, then press OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it smoke. Okay, go to effects, trapcode and particular, and here we go. Now I'll bring this down like this and go to emitter, velocity, I'll make it 0. Also velocity random, I will make it 0. Now see, just a point, we don't have any action here, so I'll go to physics. Okay, air, wind Y, I will increase it like this, maybe around 200. Okay, and there we go. Okay, I need some distortion here, so I'll go to turbulence field and effect position and increase around 500. Yeah, it's good. And also go to feeding time and I'll make it 2. Very cool. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to particle life, I will make it 4, and particle type, change sphere to streaklet. Okay, now go to size, increase size, $80. Okay, and also emitter, particle per second, I will make it 300. Okay, again go to particle and particle opacity, I'll make it just 2. Okay, now I'll go to size of a life and presets, I'll choose this one, and yeah. Okay, and I'll go to opacity of a life, presets also, and I'll choose this one. Okay, and I will remove this, and now see. Yeah. Okay, now this is my tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.